From Studio 3C in Rockefeller Center, this is News 4 New York.
President Biden just set a big new goal in the race to vaccinate. He wants to get at least one dose of the vaccine to 70% of adults by the 4th of July. That'd be a huge step toward herd immunity. This comes one day after the tri-state announced it will lift almost all COVID restrictions 2 weeks from tomorrow. News 4's Andrew Siff is live outside Barclays to update us on what happened today. Andrew.
Well, David, that huge new goal outlined by the president today also comes with a huge new acknowledgement. We've just about reached that turning point between vaccine acceptance and vaccine hesitancy. And in order to make real progress, they're really going to have to do a lot of convincing over the next 2 months.
I'm just used to it now.
Linda Santiago got vaccinated, and most of the people she knows have done so as well. And that's because the president says a key threshold is in sight.
Soon we'll have reached the adults who are most eager to get vaccinated.
President Biden today predicted a solid majority of Americans will be at least partially vaccinated by the 4th of July. Today he ordered all pharmacies to accept walk-ins for vaccine. He's reallocating which states get which amounts to better balance the vaccine pace, especially in rural areas. The new goal, 70% of Americans get at least one shot by July 4th.
Now we're going to have to bring the vaccine to people who are less eager.
The president acknowledging a stubborn obstacle, vaccine hesitancy.
I've taken it, he's taken it, we've taken Pfizer.
Brooklyn healthcare worker Marisol Walker trying to convince senior Luz Morales.
Well, put your name and number down.
To take the vaccine.
Maybe. I can say that, maybe.
We witnessed this scene in East New York.
The approach that a lot of our community partners take is to engage in conversation, right, and really meet people where they are.
Where Marcella Tillett of the Brooklyn Community Foundation steered money raised by her nonprofit to the East New York Restoration, a grassroots group promoting health care. It's an example of a local group the president said today is also key to picking up the vaccine pace.
If we succeed in this effort, as we did with the last, then Americans will have taken a serious step towards a return to normal.
The president also indicated 12 to 15-year-olds could be vaccine eligible within days. All of this with only 2 weeks until the tri-state area lifts most COVID restrictions.
I'm still gonna, try to social distance and, do the most I can, but I'm definitely trying to catch up with friends and family.
And on the subject of 12 to 15-year-olds, the president said that's entirely up to the FDA, but he did instruct pharmacies to be ready to start administering vaccine to children as young as 12 if it's approved within days. We're live in Brooklyn. Andrew Siff, News 4 New York.